Hi Mark and Mandy, it's Rob from The Door Maker. Knowing how to measure your cabinet doors can be a bit tricky, but with these tips, you'll be done in no time at all. First thing we're going to do is remove our door. There's a little clip at the back of each hinge. You can pull towards you to release it. It's important to measure the door from the back because it is flat and it won't skew your measurements. First, we're going to measure our width at 15 and our height at 40 7/8. Next thing you want to do is remove your hinge so you can measure the center of the hinge hole. This way here, we can measure the center of our new cup holes. So here we have 3.5 inches. Lastly, we're going to reattach the hinge. And hang our door back up until our new ones arrive. I hope these pointers will help you with your new project.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.